Hi everybody, it's Wanda. Not quite so croaky today. So I just reviewed a video and I noticed that the gold, the purple, and the pink look so pretty together. So I want to try that. Even though this is not a bright pink, it is that Anita's, that was the pearl, that was so glittery when it dried. This is Apple Barrel, Purple Iris, I believe. And this is Artist Loft Gold. It's a tad bit thicker than the others. I think I just saw a lump. I'm not going to thin it out quite as much as I do the other stuff. Just because it doesn't seem to do as well if you do that. So I don't see that lump. It'll show up later. I think I'm going to layer it and then do a flip cup. See what happens. Probably should have put some gold between that purple and pink. This helped me to empty out a bottle I needed to empty out so I could wash it up. I get these little bottles at, they're like 8 ounces at Walmart, and the brand is Good Cook, and the only place I've ever found them is by the freezer section in a little end cap, and they're really super slick, so your paint doesn't stick to it and discolor the bottle. You can wash them out, they turn out great, and also you can mark on them with magic marker and then take it off with alcohol. So if you change colors, you don't have to go back to that same bottle again. And they only hold 8 ounces. They don't hold 12. But I really like them. And I thought maybe you all would want to know that. Probably have too much paint, not enough paint. I don't know. It says 1 ounce for these, but this is a deep side, so we're just going to see what happens. Thank you for posting that you hoped I feel better. I didn't have a sore throat at all. My lymph nodes weren't swollen. I just didn't have any energy. I think maybe it was an allergic reaction because there's so much stuff in the air. Ooh, it looks pretty. I like it. I wish I didn't have to stretch it. There's the thing. Yeah. Hate to lose all that purple. I still got some pretty lacing. Let me see if I can cover these sides real quick. So I can see how much paint I got left to play with up there. That's my shoe squeaking. Ooh, got into some blue from yesterday. Don't want that on there. So, that looks pretty. I think I'm going to tilt some of that purple down a little and over, if I can get it to go. Ooh, I really like this. I might have to do a big one like this. I gotta get that blue off of there. Artist Loft, Purple Iris, and then that pink. That pink, I think, kind of sunk on me. It's not showing up a whole lot. Still, I am really happy with this. Looks pretty. There we go. I like that better. Might have to keep an eye on my corners here. I think it looks nice. I like it. Stretch that back down just a little bit that way. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. There's that side. That side. Got a little white spot. That one. And that one. That looks so gorgeous. Next time I might have to have more purple. More purple, please. So I'm really happy with this one, and it's not a 25-minute video. So I do wish that that pink had been layered kind of through there more. I only put 2 layers, so if I did a big one, I'd have to go with probably 3 good-sized layers, and I don't have enough of that paint to do a big one, so I'd have to go get some more. I only bought the 1 bottle. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I invite you to come back. Watch me again, see what I'm up to, because I never know. Sometimes these things hit me out of the blue like this one did. But I'm pretty happy with this one. I like it. I may have to hang it like that. Kind of looks like sky and rocks and some kind of strange terrain. I like it a lot. Thank you.